Okay. Hello, Lysrun. Welcome back to our grammar talk. And today I've got another question to ask you. The question is, what are the uses of little and a little, and what are the differences between them? So please explain. Okay. Thank you very much, Jet, for the question. Uh, the uses of little and a little different from the uses of few and a few that we talked last time. Few and a few, both few and a few are used with countable noun, while little and a little are both used with uncountable noun. So these are the differences between few and a few, and little and a little. And the differences between little and a little. Both little and a little have the same meaning in Khmer. If we translate in Khmer, they both have the same meaning. Little and a little mean តិចតួចតិចតួចចឹងជាភាសាខ្មែរមានន័យដូចគ្នា Anyway, both of them have different connotation that mean they are emotionally different. And the difference is that little has a negative meaning, while a little have a positive meaning. So little refer to the small amount, but it is insufficient. Anyway, a little refer to small amount as well, but it is sufficient. It is enough. These are the differences between little and a little. So once again, little means not much. Okay, little means not much, but not enough. Not much and not enough. But a little means not much but enough. These are the differences between them. They are different in connotation or emotionally different. Because little, once again, little has a negative meaning. It means not much and not enough, while a little has a positive meaning. It means not much but enough. Example, if I say I have little money. If I say I have little money, that means I don't have much money. And this may be a problem because the amount of money that I have is not enough for me to buy food to eat. The amount of money that I have is not enough to support my daily living. So this is negative meaning. But if I say I have a little money, that means I don't have much money, but the amount of money that I have is enough for me to support my daily living. The amount of money is enough for me to buy food to eat. The other example, if I say there is little milk left, that means there is not much milk left, and the amount of milk is not enough for everybody to drink. But if I say there is a little milk left, that means there is not much milk left, but the amount of milk left is enough for everybody to drink. Okay, so little means too small amount for everybody to use. A little means small amount but enough for everybody to use. So these are the differences between little and a little. Đó đấy. Nghe đấy. Mà dương vậy tha khiêu miên lôi tịch tuổi dương pra bị little. Chẳng tịch tuổi nó cứ tịch tuổi rồi hốt to té mình group trong ca tình hạ nhóm. Mình group trong ca rồi nơi rồi ngày. Phần tới bây giờ này thà I have a little money. Tịch tuổi đấy té với group gron សម្រាប់តែញ៉ាញ៉ាំគ្រប់គ្រាន់សម្រាប់ការរស់នៅប្រចាំថ្ងៃវាខុសគ្នាចឹងចឹងវាមិនមានអីខុសគ្នាពី few ហើយនិង a few ទេបើយើងយល់ few ហើយនិង a few ក៏យើងយល់ little ហើយនិង a little ដែរភាពខុសគ្នារវាងពីរគូនេះគឺ few a few ប្រើជាមួយនាមរាប់បានហើយនឹង little a little ប្រើជាមួយនាមដែលរាប់អត់នាមរាប់អត់បាន តែប៉ុណ្្នឹងឯងហើយបើយើងប្រៀបធៀបមកគូគ្នាវាទៀតព្យូទៅទេគឺมันគ្រប់គ្រាន់ទេតិចរហូតតតែខ្វះរីឯព្យូតិចដែរតែគ្រប់គ្រាន់ little ក៏ចឹងដែរ little ហ្នឹងគឺតិចរហូតតតែខ្វះហើយ a little តិចដែរតែវាគ្រប់គ្រាន់ហ្នឹងចំណុចខុសគ្នារវាងព្យូ little a little. Okay, so I hope that you have understood. Okay, thank you very much, Lysrun, for your clear explanation about uses of little and a little and the differences between them. So before ending today's talk, let me make the conclusion for what you have explained about little and a little. So little and a little are different from few and a few. Few and a few both are used with countable noun, while little and a little both are used with uncountable noun. And the differences between little and a little. Little mean have the negative meaning, while a little have a positive meaning. Little refer to smaller amount than the desire, while a little refer to smaller amount as well, but the amount is sufficient. It is enough for everyone to use, right? So if we compare the differences between little and a little seem to have a smaller amount than a little, because a little refer to small amount but enough, while little refer to small amount but not enough, right? Okay, thank you very much, Lysrun, for your explanation, and this is the end for our talk, so let me say goodbye to everyone as well. So see you again soon in the next talk. Goodbye.